and welcome back to another video. My name is Darlingranita and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. Well, if you do love lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you would never miss a video. Well, today's video is unboxing the Delta box. And got it in the mail yesterday. Now the only thing is that I'm not getting my notifications anymore. The only time that I would get an email says your Delta box has been shipped, and then I would hit the tracking and I would know when it would be shipped so I can be ready, because you know, honey, it's the holidays and these little sticky fingers is looking. And then the bad part about it, if you guys are experiencing this, let me know. I get home and the box right in the middle, right in the open front. I mean, we have a way that you can hide it away from viewers and drivers is coming by, but hey, that's just another story. But I want to go ahead and unbox this. I'm kind of like excited and not excited, because when I picked up the box, it was very light. And I was like, okay, we got some more clothes, but we're gonna see what's in this box right now. So I know I'm gonna have to put my glasses on so I can see the reading on the little card. Now this is tough. Okay, there you go. All right, so of course, if this is your first time watching the box, so Roz and my dear darlings, the Delta box this is how it looks on the box soon as you open it up. And it has its paper. It used to be red with Delta paper, but that has changed over the years. Now, it's an FYI. Again, if this is your first time watching the video of me unboxing a Delta box, I've had the box since the beginning. There have been some items in the box that I'll be like, what is this? And then there has been some moments that in the box I'll be like, yes, that is what I need. Now, if you haven't watched the unboxing from last month, that box was amazing. We did get a tumbler with a straw cover, and of course the vest with the crescent on it, and that was, so far for that, this year has been my #1 pick for our box. So let's see what this is. Let me put my glasses on, because, like I said, Delta always, or Soros always have reading on the card. So we're going to go over the card now. It says, this is how the card looks. And it says, dreaming in Delta land. So obviously dreaming, we are going to go to sleep. So it's something we can sleep in. Now, I do remember, was it 2 years ago, right about this same time, we got a onesie. And I simply love that onesie. I still wear that onesie. It is so comfortable and it fits me to a T. So if that onesie is still available, I'm gonna post that. But that one was one of my favorites as well. So everything in my box is a medium. So it's 2 items, which I'm thinking it is a sleeper. Like I said, when I picked up this box, it was very light. It was light, and I can see why. Nothing but 2 things in it. So, okay. Of course, like I said, it is a sleeper. This is the top of the sleeper. And of course, these are the shorts. Oh, this is a short sleeper. Oh, this is so cute. I am loving that. Okay. Oh, and it's silk, sisters. It's silk. Now, what is this? Y'all, excuse the way I was looking at this. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Oh my God, it is a bonnet. Oh, this is so adorable. I put on my head. I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna wear this when I go to Vegas. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button so you can see all of the outfits that I will be wearing, and this is gonna be one of them. All right, so let's look at, this is how it looks. If you can see, it is silk, and it has the symbol of Delta Sigma Theta on it, and it is like a wineish dark red and a light red to it. And again, it is silk. So I do love this. Thank you, Delta. Thank you, my Soras, for sending this. And this is the same material that is on the top. And the top, let me go ahead and explain it. It has a pocket right here for you, and it is a button down. And the pants, well, it's not pants, it's shorts. This is how the shorts look, and it does have pockets on the side with a white trimming at the end of the shorts. And again, if I did not mention, everything on my Delta box is a size medium, and I've had the Delta box since the time it all started. Now, like I said, there do be some hit and miss in the Delta box, but I'm not going to too much complain about it because there are some great things that comes with the Delta box. Now, what I have been doing is that the things that I know that I'm not going to want or I'm not needing, I'm going to give it to a Sora that does not have the Delta box. Now, I have spoke to a lot of Soras that they have been trying so hard to order the Delta box, and they are all sold out. And once they do tell me that, I'd be like, girlfriend, what is your size? And I would just go ahead and give them some clothes, because baby girls, I have so many Delta things, and this is just not all of the Delta things. I have Delta things that is in the other closet in the office. Now, I need to show you this tote that I got. We ordered this last year. It is a traveling tote, you guys, and so I ordered this when they were selling the book, the memory book, and I did not want the memory book, but I did want the luggage carrier. So this is something that came in the mail for me, I'm gonna say like in September, and so this is a new tote that came out. But like I said, I have so many things of Delta, and I love my sorority that I just can't put nothing else here. But I will give it to a Sora that is needing some items, because baby girl, I have a lot. But thank you for staying to the end of the video. I hope I was able to give you a little general detail of the Delta box. I love the Delta box. It's a monthly subscription that comes out each month. Again, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Until the next video,